Ever spent hours studying only to forget everything the next day? Yeah, same. But what if I told you there's a simple technique that can actually help you learn better and faster? It's called the Feynman Technique. And once you try it, there's no going back. Richard Feynman was a brilliant physicist. But what made him different? He had this cool idea. If you can't explain something in simple words, you probably don't understand it well enough. And honestly, that makes a lot of sense. All right, here's how the Feynman technique actually works. Just 4 steps. Super simple. This is called the 4-step method. Step 1. Choose a topic. Pick something you want to learn. It could be photosynthesis, or blockchain, or even how a car engine works. Just write it down. That's your topic. Then, step 2. Teach it to a 12-year-old. Now imagine explaining that topic to a curious 12-year-old, not a science prodigy, just a kid. Use simple words, no jargon, no textbook language. If you can't break it down clearly, that's okay. It just means you've got more to learn. Once that's done, then move on to the step 3. Find the gaps. While explaining, you'll hit some roadblocks. Maybe you forget a part, or get confused halfway through. That's good. It means you found a gap in your understanding. Now go back to your source. Read, watch, research, fill in the blanks. Step 4. Simplify and repeat. Now take what you've learned and explain it again. This time, make it even simpler. Use analogies, draw diagrams, tell a story. The goal? Get to the point where anyone can understand what you're saying. That's when you know you've nailed it. Why it works? You're not just passively reading. You're processing, teaching, correcting, and owning it. And the more you do that, the better you remember, the better you understand, and the more confident you feel. So if you're tired of memorizing and forgetting, give the Feynman technique a shot. Break it down. Teach it simply. Find the gaps. And say it again, this time like a pro. Learning doesn't have to be hard. Sometimes it just needs to be clear. Thanks for watching this video.